So sorry. Tomorrow you go back to your office.
Yes.
You speak with your manager or employee or
my staff.
Your staff, and you explain what design thinking is and the value of it. Good.
Right. So same in the same situation as Cindy. So the first part too, I just will present whatever I understand about design thinking. So the first slide, we talk about design thinking. It's about creating a meaningful solution through a creative way that is new to the organization. Why? And in order for us to do this design thinking, we must change our mindset. Mindset is the key point that we need to change. Then we're talking about why we need design thinking. It's about because we are living in a VUCA world. Yeah. A lot of challenges. And design thinking, it's about creating employee experience through their own understanding of what been happening in their life. We're talking about different perspective. Employee view things in different perspective, different from the management. And design thinking, it's about trying to address the employee journey towards the organization, not in process, but events, things that happen throughout their life. And even design thinking, it's not about form, it's a function. And when we want to do this, the first thing that we need to do is get the information as much as possible from the stakeholders involved.
Yeah, that's right.
And then from there, we identify the pinpoint, and we do the how might we find the solutions. From there, we brainstorm to identify the ideas and come up with a list of ideas that are implementable. And we must not be afraid to make mistakes. Yeah? From there, we go for conception of the solution for it to be piloted. Yeah. Now we're talking about communicating from top down, so that we can test this idea and seek for feedback in terms of implementing our design thinking product. So with this design thinking, the value that we see is that first, we are going to be more agile in the changing environment, and it will help us in terms of success.
And we save the best for last, so what?
Okay, so actually we started with ourselves. I think yesterday there was a lot of discussions around getting our assumptions out the door, getting the biases out the door. And so these two images talk about how we typically, have quick win solutions when actually that's not what the customer needs or wants, right? And so then we move into design thinking. Empathy was the keyword. We got to walk in the customer's shoes. We got to see it from the point of view of the customer and see the bigger picture of what the customer really needs. And to do so, we must first understand the customer journey. Co-initiating step, we need to understand what we know, what we need to know, and so everything comes together. We need to gather insights from multiple stakeholders, not necessarily just within HR, and we need to seek inspiration even from other sources that are not typical to us. We also need to, not rush into having a quick solution, but innovation takes time, takes a lot of, different options, different input, and finally we reach a turning point where we are in a stage where we can create an idea. It will seem very overwhelming, it will seem very chaotic, but there's a method, and design thinking helps us to structure our thought process around it. We need to then find what is the sweet spot between you and what is meaningful to the customer. So with all that, we reach a stage of ideating. So with all that, mumbo jumbo in our head, we extract what's the most valuable idea, and this is where we get the value part, right? Yep. So the value is that we then this is testing and prototype. Sorry. So we put it out, and we get feedback, and then we go back and tweak it to make it better. The value here is one, we need to. It shapes our mindset so that we move away from just form processes that we so like to do in HR. It also teaches us to think differently, have different ideas out of the box, and the method helps us to reach here. We arrive at prototyping. So it's okay. Yeah, the buddy actually, yeah, it's in the sequence. So this was prototyping, so it's okay, you know, to not get it right the first time. The other value is we also then train ourselves to see things from a different perspective, and we also learn how to position it differently. And we inspire others to embrace change at work.
Well done, guys.
Yeah.